start. Learned counsel for the petitioner, while bringing to the notice of this court various orders passed by the Director of Higher Education UP Allahabad Committee of Management and letters sent by the respondent number 5, submits that respondent number 5 is guilty of not joining the institution despite letter of appointment was issued by the Committee of Management as early as on 17/6/2002, asking him to join by 2/7/2007. Stop. The respondent number 5 kept on keeping time to join the institution and in 2004 came into action after dismissal of the writ petition filed by the officiating principal. Stop. Thereafter, he kept silent and persuaded the Director of Higher Education again in the year 2008 and 2012 for joining the petitioner institution. Stop. He further submits that earlier respondent number 5 was suspended on 24/5/2005, though the said suspension order was stayed by this court and later on disapproved by the Vice Chancellor. Stop. However, another suspension order dated 26/2/2011 passed by the Committee of Management of Udit Narayan Postgraduate College, Padrauna District, Kushinagar, has been approved by the Vice Chancellor on 4/7/2012. Stop. This apart, learned counsel for the petitioner further submits that in view of the changed circumstances and the facts that respondent number 5 joined the institution, namely Udit Narayan Postgraduate College, Padrauna District, Kushinagar, on 6/7/1999, his continuance therein as permanent principal and further suspension pending inquiry order passed by the Joint Director of Education dated 3/7/2004 and further orders asking the management to allow Dr. Hiralal Ram to join the post of principal in the petitioner college cannot be sustained. Stop. He categorically submits that in view of the subsequent development and that facts brought on record, it is clear that respondent number 5 was never interested in joining the institution but was interested in keeping his lien on the post of principal in the institution. Stop. He further drawn attention of the court to Section 14 subsection 2 of the UP Higher Education Services Act 1980 and submits that in case a person who has been recommended for appointment again the vacancy intimated by the management fails to join the post within time allowed in the appointment letter or within such extended time as the management may allow in this behalf, or where such person is otherwise not available for the appointment, the director shall on the request of the management intimate fresh name from the list sent by the commission. Stop. Admittedly, respondent number 5 did not join the post within time allowed by the management and sought extension from management as well as Director of Higher Education UP Allahabad. Stop. The extension was never granted. However, he kept reviving the matter from time and again the approached the director at his own convenience. Stop. Director of Higher Education UP Allahabad, despite categorically written letter sent by Committee of Management dated 5/8/2003 that placement of respondent number 5 be cancelled and post be advertised in pursuance of the fresh requisition sent by it, as respondent number 5 failed to join the post within the allowed time allowed, passed order against the petitioner for taking action under the act and recommended to state government for action under State Universities Act. Stop. Despite direction given by the Director of Higher Education UP Allahabad and the Committee of Management, as is apparent from the record, that respondent number 5 by letter dated 8/10/2002 sought 3 months times for joining from the Director Higher Education UP Allahabad, and even after expiry of the said period he did not join. Only after dismissal of the writ petition in the year 2003 he came into action and tried to submit his joining on 1/6/2004, which was rightly not allowed by the management. Stop. Refuting the Submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned counsel for the respondent number 5 submits that after order of placement dated 30/4/2001 issued by the Director of Higher Education UP Allahabad, petitioner management did not issue appointment letter. Ready? Start. The petitioner is an assistant fisheries development officer. Stop. In the year 2005, he was transferred to the office of assistant director, fisheries, district JP Nagar, and after about 1 year, he was transferred to district Muradabad. Stop. In the year 2009, he was transferred from district Muradabad to district Pilibhit. Stop. After some time, he was attached to the assistant director, fisheries, district Shahjahanpur, from where he was again transferred to the office of assistant director, fisheries, district Bareilly on 31st July 2012. Stop. By the impugned order, the petitioner has been transferred from the office of assistant director, fisheries, district Bareilly to the office of assistant director, fisheries, district Maharajganj, which is about 6 kilometers away from district Bareilly. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that transfer of the petitioner is in violation of the transfer policy of the state government, as the petitioner has been transferred 4 times within a short span of time and he will reach his age of superannuation on 30th April 2016. Stop. He has made several representations that his wife is seriously ill and he is undergoing treatment at Bareilly. Stop. He has filed several medical certificates in support of the said fact. Stop. In the transfer policy of the state government, it is provided that officers of Group A and Group B, who have completed 6 years service in the district, shall be transferred, and if they have completed 10 years service in the same division, then such officer may be transferred out of the division after completion of 10 years. Stop. It is submitted that the petitioner has been transferred 4 times within a short span of 3 years and he has not completed 6 years in the district. Stop. It is also provided in the transfer policy that if an officer employee has some personal difficulty like illness, education of children, etc., adjustment can be made. Stop. A copy of the transfer policy executive instructions dated 18th April 2013 of the state government has been placed on record. Stop. Para. Before adverting to the core question of the case, I find it helpful to refer some decisions of the Supreme Court on this issue. Stop. From a perusal of those judgments, the principles, which emerges, it is that the government servant has no vested right to ask to continue at a place of his choice. Stop. Transfer is the incident of service. Stop. Government is the sole authority to take a decision regarding posting, transfer of an officer in administrative agencies and in public interest. Stop. The court cannot examine whether transfer is in public interest or not because it requires factual adjudication. Stop. The court cannot act as an appellate authority and substitute its finding for that of the government. Stop. There would be a choice in the administration if courts start interfering in the transfer matter in a routine manner. Stop. Transfer of an office employee is inherent in terms of the appointment and in absence of its provision in the relevant service rule, it is implicit as an essential condition of service subject to contrary provision in the rule. Stop. Para. In the case of Shanti Kumari versus Regional Deputy Director Health Services, Patna Division, Patna, and others, reported in 1981 to SCC 72, the petitioner was auxiliary nurse midwife posted at Bostede Janana Hospital at Barah stop. She was transferred to Urban Family Welfare Center, Danapur stop. She challenged her transfer in Patna High Court by filing writ petition, which was dismissed in Lemani stop. In her special leave petition, the Supreme Court declined to interfere with order of High Court, but authorities were directed to consider her grievance and until decision was taken, her transfer order was stayed.